morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, and we're at the 26th of April, 2023, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Well, you wake up today, you get some interesting news. We have the NBA mortgage numbers, durable goods. We'll talk about that in a minute. I'm noticing now, I watched yesterday First Republic Bank, and I say that because it affects stock indices and the like in a big way. This is going to be a fire sale. Whatever assets they can sell, look for the government to engineer something. There's little hope that those other assets are going to get sold unless they're bundled in some manner with the good assets. And that's because who the heck wants these securities, mortgages that are interest only, years to run, hurts the bank capital to put them on the books. I don't see that making sense. Grain markets got hit pretty hard yesterday, probably overdid it to a certain degree. There could be more downside, but I have my doubts. I'm looking for pullbacks in the nat gas until we get now to the hot weather. So we've had some cold weather. We're in the 40s in Chicago, to give you an example. We should be 60s. Our high is going to be 50. So the warm weather's yet to come, and even through next Tuesday, it's not here in the 10-day forecast yet. Energy markets still coming down. You're fighting a big battle in gasoline between the 100 and the 200-day average. I'd keep my eye on that on the downside. Looks to me like it's trying to find its footing. I wouldn't be surprised if gold goes on the new all-time highs here at any point. The markets looks to me good. It looks to me like a market that keeps getting these small sell-offs on pullbacks. I still like what I'm seeing. The dollar down hard today. Now, we're going to be going into a week from today, the FOMC meeting. After that, we get the other central bankers. Notice how the foreign currencies are coming up. Even the yen is up on all this. And I've warned traders. I said, I'm nervous about going into the Bank of Japan meeting. I think it's this Friday. We don't know what the new bank governor is going to say. Is he going to put his thumbprint on something? Is he going to sound more hawkish than the market thinks? There's no way to know. For downside, I think it's a bad bet. I think you want to be on the sidelines waiting to see just what the tone of what he says is. So in the mortgage numbers, even with rates climbing a bit, and we had that a week ago, you're up 3.7% in the mortgage market index. People are buying homes. This is the season where they go out and they look. Purchase index, refi index, all up. Durable goods. This is why the stock market turned around. This morning it was lower an hour and a half ago. It turned around because durable goods order, big ticket items getting bought again. Take a look at that. That's way more than the market expected. When you look at ex-transportation, it's a nice increase and big increase of ex-defense. So all solid numbers. Today we're looking at these numbers in the stocks report from the EIA Petroleum to see just what's going to happen there. I had one of my clients write me. He thinks there's deals going on between Russia and Saudi Arabia as to one gets distillate numbers, the other gets crude oil purchases. I don't know. OPEC is, again, by U.S. standards, a non-legal entity. They're price fixers. They work it any way they want to maneuver things. If they were based here, they'd be in all of them. They'd be out of business. But they're not here. They can do what they want. They can price rig all over the world. And in the meantime, prices are filling the gaps from when the OPEC Plus announcement came out. Now, one of the indicators that I use from time to time to see things like this, you may not know too much about. It's called the Arun indicator. And it's a really popular trading tool if you're the type of trader that looks at time and price movement together. It's very important. It gives you an idea sometimes ahead of time as the market is getting ready to end the move, continue a move, or as the move is continuing on, how does it weaken or go up? I teach it. I teach you how to work with it. It goes hand in hand, by the way, with my Pivot Point series, and it's a free tool that I want to put in your hand. So how do you get this tool? Because it is pretty easy to use. What you do is you go to our website. Under free offers, you'll see the Arun indicator. You can click up here. It'll be there. It's a video series. It'll teach you how to work with it. You probably have this in your charting software. It's certainly in ours. And I will show you how to walk with it, one step at a time. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with your market wrap-up. You have a great trading day.